What's up, guys? This next negligent discharge is what I call a Tiger King.
He says as hard as it is to believe, Travis killed himself while showing off a new gun.
It was a Ruger, and, he said, hey, a Ruger won't fire without the clip. Chair, looking at him when he put the gun to his head.
So this is a prime example of why you treat every firearm like it's loaded and never point it at anything you do not wish to destroy. It is a sad tragedy. However, there's still these knuckleheads floating around the internet doing this dumb shit. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Check out Patreon. I'm now over there with some good content. Rumble. And also on Instagram, guys. Thanks for your